Curtis. Okay, so Anne, aside from acting at galing mo as Mia, by the way, maraming natuwa rin sa mga outfits mo. So can you mention the story behind your outfits? And I heard, I think, your sister Jasmine mentioned in the premiere night that you really took part in choosing your outfits. So can you tell us more about that?
Being a fan of the original, I wanted to make sure that our adaptation would live up to the expectations of everyone who loved her outfits, Comunion's outfits. So for Mia Hernandez, we wanted to make them, some of them larger than life, but with a Filipino touch, especially during her dark era. So I worked very closely with some of the best Filipino designers. So you'll be able to see, especially for the iconic scenes, we made sure that they were Filipino designers. So they gave it their interpretation. So you'll see a barong dress, you'll see like a mantel of a Filipino mantel, you'll see a Carrie Santiago, may pa yata pa pinapalabas yun, but there's an Ivar banig dress, there's a Carrie Santiago where a dress na yun yung I Love You scene, yung Mahal Kita scene, inspired by the wooden pieces of the Filipino, like, what do you call it, doors, and of course, we also chose some international designers working alongside Direk May Cruz. We made sure that the palettes were correct. You could see from the choice of fabrics, it went from stiff to softness as she starts healing in her journey. So everything was intentional.
Parang sinungan ni Direk May, parang even yung pag-source ng mga umbrellas.
Yeah, lahat yun. The text messaging, kahit midnight that way,
That's amazing. Kasi hindi lang yung locations na Philippines yun na napakita talaga natin. Even the craftsmanships of the Filipino people.
Dun sa final trailer, naka-modern Filipiniana si Mia. O, diba? I love it. But thank you so much, Anne. And thank you to TV5 as well. Okay, go Jay.
Alright, up next from Philippine Star, we have Natalie Tomada. And this one naman is for Direk Bobot, Miss Rio, and Sir Boji. Given your experiences in the industry and in life, what can they advise younger co-stars and young people in general on how to take better care of their mental health or well-being?
Go Sir Boji.
Tayong tatlo tinanong. How to take care of
mental health or well-being?
Napakahalaga ng pahinga. Napakahalaga ng bigyan mo ang, para sa akin, no, nibigyan ko yung sarili ko ng panahon na mapag-isa, no, para mabuo ko kung ano man yung mga naliligaw o nawawalang mga energy, para pagbalik ko sa set, buo uli ako, lalo na yung mga mabibigat na eksena. Tsaka napakahalaga rin ng pagtitiwala sa sarili. Kasi ito yung isang hanap buhay, sa karanasan ko, madaming boses ka maririnig sa isip mo na, ay mali yan, dapat ganito, dapat gano'n. Parang kulang ka dito, parang kailangan matatag ka sa pagkilala mo sa sarili mo, sa talino mo. At alam mo rin kung ano yung pagkukulang mo para alam mo kung saan mo tutuhugin yung o paano mabubuo kung ano man yung pagkukulang mo, saan kuhugutin. At saka huwag matakot, huwag mahiyang magtanong. Magtanong, magtanong. Ay, sorry po.
2 minutes ka na lang. Sige, tapusin mo kami. 2 minutes ka pa. Kaya naman, Madam Chair, ano masasabi mo? Para maalagaan ko yung mental health, dumidikit na ako kay Tita Bochi para magkaintindihan kami. Pero alam mo ba, ang hirap-hirap. Yun lang makita kong pantay yung week ko eh. Talagang pag-iisipan mong maigi. Parang medyo, kung hindi ka, baka masira ang ulo mo dahil balubaloklot yung pinupa mo, di ba? Masyado kasi
parang nakaka-relate ako dyan, Dok. Dok, nakaka-relate ako dyan, Dok.
Pero hindi, Wala. Masaya kasi kaya medyo relax lahat ng trabaho doon. So, yun. Madam Chair, you have the table.
Alam nyo naman lahat, siguro ang tagal ko na sa industriya. Nakasama ko na yata ang lahat ng dapat na makasama. Nagsimula rin ako ng bata, dalaga, nag-aasawa, nag-anak. Ang siguro importante sa isang tao, kahit na wala sa industriya namin, sa isang tao, importante na may kinakausap ka, meron kang pwedeng lapitan, meron kang kaibigan, may pamilya ka, huwag kang mapag-isa. Kasi ang demonyo, ang kalaban, lagi ang utak mo ay battleground. Kaya dapat talaga hindi ka nag-iisa na gagamitin ng kalaban yung. Kasi kung ano-anong isipin mo talaga, kapag ka nag-iisa ka, wala kang nakakausap, importante talaga na may mga yung community o yung kasi kami sa taping namin hindi nawawala yung aming bonding kasi importante rin nakakabato rin pag wala kang gagawin na wala kang taping importante na may kinakausap ka, lumalabas ka ganoon din sa totoong buhay kahit hindi sa taping sa bahay nyo wag kayong kung maaari lang na lalo na kung meron kayong problema meron mga mabibigat na pinagdadaanan share nyo sa mapagkakatiwalaan ng tao huwag nyo sasarilinin lang kasi naku, delikado talaga.
I love how everyone's nodding. Talaga nakikinig lahat ng tao. Kasi parang ramdam talaga natin yun. Parang ang bilis mapagod, ang bilis ma-stress sa sarili mo mga problema. Pero again, talk to someone na malapit sa'yo and you can really trust as well. Magpahinga tayo. It's also rest as well.
Exactly. And I love also what they mentioned. And syempre dito sa show na to, we also talked about yun nga, how we need people around us to feel better and to be okay. Kaya thank you guys so much for answering that question. At naman, we have another question for Francis Magundayao. Go, Jason. Okay. Share with us a favorite scene of yours or of a co-actor na napabilib ka talaga and why?
Yung eksena namin ni Toto, actually. Sige, bigyan ko kayo lahat dyan sa project ng Inasan. Ako bahala sa inyo.
Check ng Jason Sinasan.
Naalala ko isang day sa Dumaguete ata sa nanay Hicks house. Si Joshua, buong araw, puro mabibigat na eksena. Hindi naman siya bago sa industry natin, but of course, may limits siya as an actor. So pagod na siya. As in, pagod na si Joshua nun. Pero kailangan namin kunin yung isa pang eksena. Sabay kami umiiyak habang umiinom ng beer, habang tumatoma. Naramdaman ko na sobra namin patient. Inantay namin si Joshua without judgment. And parang at that moment na-realize ko, okay, ito yung environment na nasan ako. We support our actors if they need it, when they need it, without judgment, without prejudice, without pressure. So nag-antay kami kay Joshua. But of course, it didn't take long. It's Joshua Garcia. Pero ramdam namin kasi yung frustration niya. Talagang nilalabas niya na, as parang ulit-ulit niya sinasabi, pagod na ako. Pero nagulat ako na yung eksena na yun, pumutok siya sa TikTok. Kasi yung ngayon natatawa sila, naging comedic siya kasi nagiinuman kami habang nag-iiyakan. E tapos biglang pumasok si Nanay Lee, nagbigay ng word of advice. I love that scene very, very much kasi for me, that was culture. That was our culture namin sa set. Hindi sa nagiinuman kami sa set na lang. But kumbaga yun yung kultura namin. It was a place for artists and actors. It was a place for us to be open to each other. Na kahit pagod ka na, andun na kami. Magkakasama kami. So yun.
And kitang-kita naman talaga sa relationship nila. Okay, thank you so much, Francis.
Up next naman natin is from Richard Paglikawan for Carlo Aquino. Your character plays a crucial role in the dynamics of the story. How did you approach portraying someone who affects both leads deeply?
Sorry, ano yun? How do I... Sorry.
How do you approach portraying someone who affects dalawang leads?
How did I approach?
Yeah.
Okay. Tinuring ko silang kapatid. Oh, yun talaga. Yung opening pa lang, yung sinasabi ko na unang beses kaming pinag-meet nila ni Direk May. dito sa taas, sa 13th floor. Nag-open up na ako sa kanila ng mga hindi ko sinasabi. Kailangan strip down ako lahat eh. Yung ego ko, yung lahat. So, nag-open up ako kay Jay, nag-open up ako kay Ann. Tapos tinuring ko talaga sila na kapatid. Tinuring ko silang kapatid na ika-guide ko sila kahit na may pagkukulang ako sa isip. Ganun.
Was it something na initiative mo or parang sinabi ni Direk na this is the perfect opportunity?
Hindi naman, sir. Ano lang talaga. Sa akin galing kasi nga gusto ko yung character din eh. Kahit na sobrang pressure yung binigay sa akin ni Manong Madmad, naniniwala akong deserve niyang gumaling at maghilom sa kung ano yung mga pinagdaanan niya.
And nag-heal din tayo through Matmat din talaga.
True,
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Carlo.